and spending by out-of-state visitors would be approximately $1.3 billion. Okay. As far as ex-post studies go after the games, ex-post studies have kind of revealed very different and in some cases negative results for the city of Atlanta in consideration to the Olympics. For example, Georgia actually spent just $1.58 billion to create only 24,742 jobs, which is well below the $1.3 billion mark that they had originally indicated. Another study conducted by the Upjohn Institute revealed that only 50 cents of every $1 spent on wages is actually going to add economic benefit to the city of Atlanta. Basically what this indicates is that Atlanta can't use the argument that the creation of jobs alone is enough to justify the vast public expenses that kind of pushed into these games. Also, actual spending by out-of-state visitors only came out to be $1.146 billion, again lower than the mark that they originally expected. Some further, not necessarily negative things, but just different results, was that convention attendance actually dropped 10% between 1995 and 1996, which was a time when they expected, I think, a lot of people to be going to the conventions, attending games, things like that. Hotel occupancy also actually decreased from 72.9% to just 68% in that same year. However, it's important to mention that hotel revenues during this same period actually doubled during the Olympic Games. And this was basically due to higher prices and monopoly rents that the hotels could charge, basically because there were no other options for tourists. Once you were in the city of Atlanta, you only had a limited set of options, so the hotels kind of, made up for those decreased occupancy rates by charging higher, maybe than appropriate rents. Some further results revealed that basically much of the income that came from these Olympics, which was originally expected to benefit Atlanta and the community, the residents, it actually went in the hands of most private firms and workers and not actual residents. And this is largely because there were new corporations, businesses, etc., serving kind of the